Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download WhatsApp Web on your Windows device. WhatsApp Web is used to access your WhatsApp chats and calls on your Windows device while still being able to log in on your iPhone or Android phone. To begin, we're going to press on our Windows button and search up Microsoft Store. From there, once it loads up, you can simply go to the search tab and we're going to be writing WhatsApp. From there should be, let it load, there should be multiple ones: WhatsApp beta, all of these. I believe the one we need to choose is this one right here. However, this should be the normal app and not the actual the web version. So if you want the web version, we're going to be opening up a Google Chrome browser, going to WhatsApp web, opening up web.whatsapp.com. From there, you have to log in. So let's say you are logged in. You're going to right click on the three dots, go to more tools, and press on create shortcut. So I can't do it here, but let me do that one more time on a normal tab. So once again, we're here. Let's go back to here, create shortcut, and it should look like this. Press on open this window, create, and now you have WhatsApp web, so you can pin this. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in our next video. Goodbye.